You hold a solid gold coin. You tap it with your phone, and in milliseconds, a cryptographic verification confirms its exact origin. The global counterfeit economy drains $2.8 trillion a year, creating a tangibility deficit, a gap between physical reality and our ability to prove it. Legacy markers are easily cloned, and centralized databases rely on human oracles who are easily compromised. The Luxvoid inversion removes the human intermediary. It forces the physical object to prove its own identity through mathematics. To establish absolute physical authenticity, we must eliminate the vulnerability of human trust and rely solely on physics and cryptography. Embedding a chip inside solid gold creates a bottleneck. Radio frequencies cannot penetrate metal, they bounce off. Luxvoid uses proprietary dielectric engineering, alternating material strata creating a tuned radio frequency window, allowing the NFC signal to pass through. But hardware is only secure if it stays in the asset. We have to prevent anyone from removing the chip to place it on a fake. This is solved through destructive encapsulation. If the chip is chemically dissolved, microscopic UV fluorescent DNA markers suspended in the epoxy survive. They provide a forensic birthmark that can be verified on-chain even after the chip is gone. These prototypes demonstrate how the hardware is physically bonded to the metal. By making physical extraction fatal to the electronics, the metal and the digital private key become one indivisible entity. The user interaction is stripped of blockchain complexity. It consists of an NFC tap followed by a biometric confirmation on the phone. During the tap, the phone sends a random challenge. The chip generates a unique signature, proving the key is present without revealing it, completely bypassing centralized oracles. The verified state is then immutably anchored to Bitcoin block headers. The asset inherits the security of the most powerful computational network in the world. Once verified, this sovereign asset can bridge to any EVM chain via wormhole to interact with global liquidity. This architecture transforms a physical object into a programmable digital asset that can be traded, it can be staked, used as collateral across multiple chains. The protocol applies the same cryptographing primitives to industrial supply chains, securing bulk containers of lithium or cobalt with the same tap used for a gold coin. This hardware-first approach meets the requirements of the 2030 EU Critical Raw Materials Act, which mandates a digital passport for all critical minerals entering the single market. Compliance data is embedded directly into the asset's on-chain molecule, including legal entity identifiers, country of origin, and batch-level ESG scores, using the ISO 22022 standard. Luxvoid is a live operational protocol backed by a multi-patent portfolio protecting its physical to digital fusion and its zero-knowledge systems. The global economy was built on fragile paper certificates and vulnerable databases. Provenance is no longer a matter of human trust, but of absolute mathematical and physical proof.